How to copy contacts from Android to Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your phone application on your device and then you can go to your contacts list over here. Then tap on any contact that you want to copy from Android to Gmail. So for example, if I want to copy this, I have to tap on that contact and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then here you can see the option of move to another account. So tap on move to another account and you just have to select the email ID over here where you want to copy that contact. So tap on that email ID and there you go. You have copied the contact from Android to Gmail. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.